This might be my favorite Sneakercon of all time. Low-key, LA is looking a lot like Washington. Day one Sneakercon. People are still setting up, and this is by far the largest Sneakercon event I've ever seen. First thing I see when I come into Sneakercon, from the man, the myth, the legend himself.
Have you seen these before?
I have not. This might be the nicest sneaker box I've ever seen.
Crazy, right?
Another crazy one. God damn. Just insane grails. How much in shoes did you guys bring out today?
Around $1 million.
$1 million.
Is this like suede? God.
Would you rather have this or a small apartment in Los Angeles? Very small apartment.
Personally, I'm going with a very small apartment. It's funny when these first were leaked, everyone was like talking shit.
They look like customs.
I think they look dope though.
And they're handmade too.
Put a four up on your head like split web, see what that money do. Come around my way, homicide, demolition crew. Clean up man, I'm the janitor. See me sweeping through, tearing blocks down. Killers get at
It
you.
is insane how big. Oh, I see some Mutinates. My boy Franelations 8. The one I'm really jealous of right here. Look, man, these guys pulled up once again. Crazy ones, man. Bringing out the heat to Sneakercon. Doors are about to open. I've actually just been chopping it up with other creators, man. I'm really glad I came early. I haven't even been looking for deals. You guys buy anything?
Hey! Yeah, like 6 pairs.
So far, T is impressed with the prices.
The prices are good, guys.
Would you say this is the best price-wise?
For vendors, yeah.
I need to find the New Balance protection pack, or I need to have her find it for me.
I told him I'd rent him my pair.
Oh, she wears a 7.5. There's no way.
You know how frugal you are?
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
We'll make it work.
Big Cannon, Falling Out 7s. A lot of cool random stuff as well. And then there's like 3 or 4 versions of these. But
features
this
are
version
crazy.
in particular, nobody got this version. If you see people with this one,
The white cage.
you'll see with a white stitch around the inside. Right here, this will be white stitch. And then the back tab, theirs will be black right here.
How much do you think all of this is?
Right now, the estimate is close to $1 million for the whole booth.
A lot of this is pricey.
Yeah, actually something like this. There's like 3 of these. So,
You said there's 3 of these?
no, I think it's 4.
I was gonna say 2 of them are in this building. Ooh, I see some vintage tees.
Okay, we found them. We got Jacob's 9. We got my 8. How much on these?
Actually 2.
We both want to grab. Can you do like
150 each. Ooh, 170.
I want to pay 150 for mine. If you want to pay 170.
I'm down to do 170, but I don't want to do it unless you're gonna do it. So it's like I'm not gonna do it.
160?
I'll do 160.
Alright.
160 for both? Okay, cool, let's do it. He's like, Onyx. What's your Instagram?
It says Souls Anonymous _
Hey.
at the bottom. So we came all the way from Dallas, Texas.
Can I get one of these?
Yeah, man.
Thank you. So one thing that's different about the SneakerCon, it's kind of crazy, is there's like a lot of people doing like TikTok. I was telling them it's like TikTokers is like the new YouTube.
Yeah.
He pulled up a picture from 2017.
Look at the date, bro.
Yo,
Look, you know what's crazy? 2017, I think you commented on this and I was freaking out. Where is this? No,
hey, right there.
Oh, there
hey,
it is.
thank you for the support.
That's
Damn.
Look at that. That's
You guys
legendary.
look like babies.
And now you guys do TikTok.
Yeah.
I saw her running. She was sprinting over here.
Yeah. We're filming some
2.6
content.
million.
2.6 million.
Yo, good job, bro. That's crazy.
Full circle, man.
We want you to be on
And-
TikTok with us.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna lie. This might be my favorite Sneakercon of all time. Just because it might be a little bit. I gotta get you on video.
what's up?
The man, the myth,
How's it
the
going?
legends, the whole family right here. How are these, by the way?
No, they're quite comfortable. They're different.
I heard they're hard to walk in.
It's alright.
It's all right.
That doesn't look weird.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna play with Romy and Ellie, see if they can name
it's too late. It's too late.
I'm gonna embarrass myself right now. I will say, I'm gonna probably embarrass myself right now, but if it's a stop, I'm not gonna know the name right. No, I'm scared. Oh, dude, it's a strawberry milk duck, right? Let's go.
There you go. Yeah.
Ha, Ellie's done.
I hate that name. Thank God you got that.
I actually like that shoe.
If it was a
I wasn't a mid. Yeah. Yes, we gotta get a picture. Anyways, he is in +1. Shout out to the homie. Appreciate you. Yo, excuse me. I just noticed that you were wearing my friend Keezy's pants, and I just want to say that's fire. So that's
Keezy being Keezy.
Hey.
There go gun smoke. They want that old flow, slide down in that Tahoe, and let that shit go. Balenciaga's the color code. Got on Margiela coat, my old bitch won't let me go. I told her send a note, need the flowers, send my watch. New bust down 41, I'm older than my Glock, nigga, but younger than the drum.
Yo, young sneaker reseller.
Oh, it matches it.
Look, flexed up.
Here you go. You're welcome. Thank you.
Hey! Day 2, starting off with a game of ping pong with my boy Yeezy Buster. Yeah, man, I'm just getting embarrassed by everybody. He beat me twice. A little bit closer.
Twice?
Is it 3 times now?
Like 3 times.
Oh, man, I gotta get him before I leave. Him and Yeezy Buster, for sure. So, what up, man?
What's up?
Thuggin' like my pops, bitch. Guess I'm the chosen one. My roof gone in that drop, nigga. 2-door coupe cost a ton.
How was the event?
It's great. Today we're focusing on higher end pairs. We got a pair of Travis Scott Fragment Highs. Probably the pair I'm most excited about. Focusing on a lot of rails. We got Unions, we got Habibis, we got several pairs of Off-White 4s.
Are you guys cashing out less since you basically had to file for bankruptcy yesterday?
That's not true. Dead stock, brand new, size 9. These guys are to the moon, skyrocketing.
What's the price on them right now?
Lowest that's like 45.
I wish these were my size. That's
Shrink them for you, bro.
I'll just double sock. If you ever do go to a Sneakercon and they have a monster booth, you can almost pay for your ticket as long as you drink like 20 or 30 monsters because they're all free.
We'd like to welcome you all to Seattle. Please remain in your seats with your seatbelts securely fastened.
All right, back in Seattle. What's your guys' opinions of the event?
Awesome, I'm exhausted.
Feels good to be back, but I still need to unpack. Bars! So that was probably one of the best sneaker cons I've ever been to. It was between that and New York. New York was freaking crazy. Now, I didn't really buy that much. I got one thing to show you from the event, and I also have one package to show you that I came home to, but I didn't really need to buy that much because I've gotten almost every shoe that I've wanted recently. Thanks, of course, to services like Plus One. If for whatever reason you don't know what Plus One is my cook group that I started. A link to join Plus One will be in the description down below. It is only $9.99 to enter. I don't want to make it sound like you're gonna get every single sneaker. Like, don't join with that mindset because you're not. I'm just gonna keep it real. Other cook groups will lie to you and no. But the reason I've been able to get most of the sneakers that I want is because most of the sneakers that I've wanted for my personal collection have been Shopify releases. And I can say when it comes to Shopify releases, being in a cook group helps tremendously. Even if you don't join Plus One, you want to check out some other cook group, that's fine, but I'm telling you, those services do help. So if you're watching this video and you're into sneakers, check out a cook group, whether it be my cook group Plus One, which like I said, link is in the description below, or some other cook group, which is probably going to be 20, 30, 40, 50 or so dollars. Plus One, we have all the site lists, raffle lists, we have restock monitors, we have a Shopify autofill, and a ton of other services that can help you cop, as well as a mobile app that will actually notify you on your phone of certain restocks or important member information, all for $9.99, cheaper than a Netflix subscription. So check it out if you want. Like I said, I've been able to cop a lot of the sneakers that I have wanted and some that I didn't want. Like for example, I was able to cop the Union Jordan 2s. When I first saw this shoe, I was not that much of a fan because I'm not the biggest fan of Jordan 2s. There's like 2 Jordan 2s I like. My favorite being the Don C, my second favorite being the Off-White. I will say, when I saw these on feet this weekend at Sneakercon, they actually look pretty sick. If you were able to get these a little bit quicker and sell them before they started coming in, you were able to sell them for like $450. Being that it's a Union collaboration, I could see it going up a little bit. I don't think it's gonna be crazy profit, but even a shoe like this, you're able to profit, you know, $50 to $100. That right there pays for the group for like half a year to a year. And I'm currently waiting on a package that I was able to cop thanks to Plus One, and that shoe alone is going for like 100 to 200 over retail. If you put the time in, there's always gonna be releases where you can make your entire membership for the year off of one single sneaker release. But yeah, man, like I said, when I saw these on feet, absolutely gorgeous shoe. Now I came home to this. This is not a Sneakercon purchase. Like I said, I got one Sneakercon purchase, and that is a pair of Yeezy slides in the Onyx colorway. A lot of people were charging about $200 for these, which is higher than StockX. The reason people do that is because they are in high demand right now, and just in general, Yeezy slides are easy movers for a lot of resellers. I did not go for this. I don't remember what I was doing, but I just missed this drop entirely. If I would have ordered them from StockX after tax, shipping, and fees, I would have paid $173. So Not mad at 160. Overall, pretty happy to get these in the collection because these are probably the shoes I'm gonna wear more than 90% of the sneakers in my collection. I've really been thinking about downsizing my collection because I just have so much stuff and I never end up wearing them. For example, when I was going to Sneakercon, I was originally gonna wear those Ama Manières. When these released, I was able to get 2 of these manual thanks to Plus One. And I even thought about keeping both of them because I love this shoe so much. However, when I started packing my bags, I packed this and then I just thought, even though this is gonna look good when I beat it up, do I wanna beat it up right now? No, I don't. So that's why I packed my Nigels. I don't know, a part of me definitely felt inclined to spend a bunch of money and cash out on some sneakers, but it just felt like I'd be buying for the sake of buying, and I've done that before, and those are the videos that I look back at and I don't really like. This was by far one of my favorite Sneakercons. This Sneakercon felt like it was a finished product. It had a good mix of big company backing. You have your eBay booth, you have your Whatnot booth, you have Nesquik with people customizing Pumas, and you have all these different activities that you can do. So you can go there and not really just look for shoes or just buy shoes and still have a good time. But they also had really good prices and they had a good mix or range of different people to talk to, which is cool for me, especially with the TikTokers. It's kind of cool because when it comes to Sneakercon, the YouTube class is like the senior class and the TikTokers are like the incoming freshmen. That's what it feels like. And it was really cool talking to a lot of these guys because a lot of these guys showed mad love. There was quite a few that would come up to me and say like, yo, you inspired me to create content, you inspired certain things about my content, whatever. And that was so sick. It was just cool. I had some cool conversations and that was kind of what made the weekend fun for me. Anyways, hopefully none of you guys are let down by me not cashing out and dropping like 20 grand. If you want to see that, go check out Sneak City. I know that they cashed out like 100 grand. If their video's live, I'll literally leave that in the description down below because I'm probably in it several times. We did fly there together and flew back together. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it from the top and bottom of my heart. I do have a sneaker pickup video coming soon. I have to go pick up one sneaker that I was waiting on. I have a couple other sneakers that came in that I have not shown off, just recent W's, recent successes, thanks to Plus One. But yeah, like I said earlier, if you want to check out Plus One, if you want to get into reselling, you want to join a cook group, check out that top link in the description. If you're curious about what I'm currently wearing, just wait, I'm gonna do a streetwear review with some brands that I visited while in LA. And yeah, thank you guys for rocking with me. I appreciate it from the top and bottom of my heart. As always, keep living the star life. I think I already said this, but well, I'm just gonna say it again. I appreciate you from the top and bottom of my heart. No, I appreciate you from the top and bottom of my heart. As always, keep living the star life. Peace. I forgot my own outro.
Star life, Chris say shooting on Mets. God, these thoughts been ran through. Goddamn it.
And my brother is that guy. You feel me? Jacob,
that guy.